You won't catch her without makeup on. You just won't.
It's my thing. That's why I'm in Mary Kay, man.
I was so scared to ask her, but she said yes. So I literally, she's my sister and like my best friend, but I literally was just so nervous to ask her for some reason. To my surprise, she was just like, yeah. And I was like, oh, okay.
I don't want you to look. I knew it was one.
It was one of the two. Because CC Cream is the product that like brought me into Mary Kay. I was obsessed with it. I have really red skin, and so CC Cream, when it was the first product I tried, I bought everything.
But she just told me this the other night. I was like, wow, I don't always wear nourishing oil, and she was like, it's literally the highlight of my night. And I'm like,
my favorite part of my skincare routine. I wear it morning and night. So
actually, she's wrong. I win.
Yep. Timeless 3D foundation.
Every day, baby.
Or like a million things that I've learned from her over the years in Mary Kay and not in Mary Kay. But Allie just loves people so hard, and she sees the best in people.
I know. I look up to her so much. She's my little sister, but I just admire her so much. She's such a strong businesswoman. You do care about your customers. You care about your consultant spring. You care about your senior. She cares about everybody. Bye.